Welcome back to our videos. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and take on DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. We are almost finished our truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. These are all the trim pieces I have to paint. First, a quick spray with black spray paint. I am then going to paint them all again by hand with black paint used for cabinets. This is a tedious painting along the edge because it is easier than making the trim bend at this angle without snapping it. Touching up all the nail holes the nail gun made. Some of the trim drying is for this area by the dining room table. The trim is put back on here but now painted black. The heater cover has now been cleaned up and polished. The trim still needs to be put along this side. The trim is now along this edge. This trim I put on the shelf area so that our computer would not fall off, or anything else, I guess. I love my design. This trim has now been put on. These are the last big pieces to put on. It looks amazing. Now we're really getting to the end of our project finally. Thanks for watching. Join us on our next video.